Welcome back. Look at the torrential water pouring over the Ravenna River Dam. This is at Berkmar Drive, and of course plenty muddy, lots of debris, and that from Jim Carpenter here this afternoon. We have many swollen rivers, creeks, and streams out of their banks. Flooding continues and will continue even after the rain stops because of the excessive runoff. Something to be mindful of, so be mindful of your situation. Here's a look at first alert Doppler radar. We've got some heavier rain through Buckingham and portions of Fluvanna County at this time. Here we are just to the east of Route 20, north of Dillon. Heavy downpours here, some blinding visibility. Some of those rainfall rates are greater than 7/10 per hour. And then just to the east of Route 15 along Route 6, we have a flash flood warning for southeastern Fluvanna County. So that includes areas like West Bottom up toward Columbia, and that takes us into Lakeside Village, into Cumberland County right now until 8:45. So not only small creeks and streams, obviously the James through here, be mindful of your situation. This is ongoing flash flooding for that portion of southeastern Fluvanna County. Then we have ongoing flood warnings that continue for the city of Charlottesville, western Albemarle. These may be extended beyond expiration times. There's the South Fork of the Shenandoah River that continues under flood warning. Also South River. Shortly after 3 o'clock, it was at 8.1 feet. A flood stage is at 9.5 feet. It is set to crest at 9.6 feet, so just above flood stage later tonight into early Tuesday morning. Middle River's under flood warning, and those will continue as mentioned even after the rain stops because of the excessive runoff. Ravenna River at Palmyra under minor flooding, taking us into Wednesday. Our flood watch continues across the region until later tonight. Additional rain could be anywhere from 1 to 3, hopefully not as much. But again, we're with these bands set up, and this afternoon they're running from south to north, and that allows training of more rain over the same areas that can prompt flooding. Broad area of low pressure is back across southern West Virginia, and that absorbed the remnants of what was Helene. So it still has to pivot off to the east. It's still pulling these bands of rain up through the mid-Atlantic and up through the Carolinas, and obviously areas that don't need to see any additional rain, but that's the setup that we have. Temperatures right now are in the mid-60s. They don't change much overnight. Additional rain, areas of fog. There's your planner for Tuesday. The rain should be a little bit lighter, some showers and drizzle around. Brighter skies start to return here by the end of the week. Wednesday, sort of that transition day. We may still have a shower, but I think we'll see some breaks. A cold front actually comes through. So here we are tonight, taking us into the overnight, still dealing with some bands of rain. There could be additional flooding, and then during the day Tuesday, it should lighten up a bit more in the way of some drizzle and areas of fog. And then by Wednesday, the next front begins to approach, and it'll still be cloudy, but I think we'll start to see some breaks of sun by the afternoon, maybe a stray shower, much brighter by the end of the week. First alert weather day continues tonight. Additional rain, areas of fog. Here's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. By the end of the week, we'll have a chance to dry out as we'll see those temperatures start to climb to more seasonable levels back in the 70s. And boy, do we need some dry times after what has been a deluge, and we're still not done with things quite yet. So hang in there.
All right, Eric, thank you. And for